everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making a cute little tote bag. It's a new die set from alinacutle. It was on sale during Black Friday and I happened to get one. So it's really cute. You'll need two pieces. Sorry, here's the dies that we'll be using. So we've got the base, the handle, 4 different sizes of flowers, tag, and a thanks script. So here's the tags cut out. It's a pretty decent size. You can put stuff in, sentiment in, and then the thanks. I am not using it, but I wanted to cut it out just to show you guys what it looks like. So we will, since it's Christmas season, we will definitely cut 2 pieces of these and make a cute little tote bag. And it's 2 pieces of the handle, and I like the handle because it has some stitching. It's really pretty, and it's scallop. And then of course I'm going to put 2 cute little bows in the end. So really easy. So let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, it was very quick to make. Everything was seamless, and look at the space that you have. This does measure on the bottom side, it measures 2 3/4. On the top side, it measures from here to here, 3 inches. And then from here to here, it's 2 3/8. So what can we put inside? For me, or you can put obviously candies, you know, all sorts of candies. Okay, maybe not the Whopper, it expands it, but you can put candies for sure. What I like is like a gift card. You can't put the gift card this way, it's too small, but you can put it upright like that. Put a cute little Bath and Body sanitizer, hand sanitizer, and a lip gloss, or candy. Or actually, I used all my lip gloss for now, but like this here, or lip gloss, lip balm, but put a lip balm if you don't want it poking out, or you just want it to present it a little bit better. You don't have to put the gift card, you can definitely put cash. That always fits, right? So It's however you want to gift. If you want to give something, you know, for your teachers and stuff, you can put like a Starbucks or Chick-fil-A or, you know, their favorite fast food restaurant with a hand sanitizer and then a lip balm. I have a tendency to give those usually for the teachers just because they'll always need a hand sanitizer. Everybody always, I feel, needs a lip balm, especially during the winter, and then a gift card. So that's one of my makes. And then this one, oh, let's flip it around. I like the truck. I thought it was really cute. So this is my front piece. And the reason why I say that is because the seam isn't here. It's seamless here. Where the connector here you can kind of see if you look really close. So I made the truck my front seam, and then the back side is a family of snowmen. And then, so another Christmas idea for Hershey Kisses. This right here. Oops. But basically, I cut a cardstock, and then I matted this mat right here. I pretty much took this die here, and I just outlined it to get this mat here. So that idea, that tip, I did get from Crafting with Paula on YouTube. So I thought that was a really great idea, so I did the same thing. And then you put your handles here and gives that beautiful scallop and stitching. So you've got stitching on the side as well. So it's really pretty. This fits right here. I've got 14 Hershey Kisses in here if anybody's interested. And then the last one is, I did a spring one. I steal from this one, but basically I used the flowers that came with it, except for this little guy that's somehow got offset, but still offset. So there you go. I did use that, and same thing on the other side. So with that said, McDonald's, a nice little hand sanitizer and a lip balm. But anything you put in here, really, based on, you can put jewelry. I know when I did my craft fair, a lot of people thought of jewelry. I mean, you know, what a cute way to give a bracelet or a ring, or, you know, put some tissue paper in there, you know, whatever it may be. But anything that fits this cute little tote bag, I think it's really adorable. That's what I've made so far. I plan on maybe giving some of these to the office at school for my son's office ladies. Just quick, and just, you know, a lot of the times we gift the teachers presents, but I often forget everybody else, you know. Everybody runs the school, really. But teachers, office, ladies, men, and then of course maybe the principal as well, maybe. But there you go, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday, and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll leave the link to the die on my description, and have a good week, guys. Thank you. Bye.